First, we set the levelness of the cup. We need to prepare a levelness ruler and a richer. First, we fix the cup with the material, with the rotary. Make sure the cup is fine fixed with the rotary. After that, we use the levelness ruler to measure the cup levelness and the gavel head. Make sure the gavel head and the cup are in the same levelness. We can adjust the levelness of the cup by fixing this screw. Then you may see the rotary levelness is changing, and you can check the levelness ruler situation. Make sure the cup and the laser head are in the same levelness. After that, we can do the next step. Now, this video will show how to put the location of the rotary. First, we turn on the machine and we open the software EZCAD. After that, we draw a straight line and click finish. Then we choose the straight line and set the size of straight line. Make the X to 0, make the Y to 100. Then we press apply. We click this button to put the straight line to the origin. After that, we press F1 to make the red dot. After that, you can see there is a red dot on the cup. We put the cup just under the laser head and make sure the red line is middle of the laser cup, of the cup. Okay. Shows how to set the focal length of the rotary. First, we check the sticker on the laser head. It's 380 millimeter. Then the distance from the material to the laser head will be 380 millimeter. Or we can use the red dot to adjust the focal length. As long as the two red dots meet each other, then it will be the red focal length. See, the two red dots become one. That should be the red focal length. And we could check by the ruler. See the material surface to the laser head is 380 millimeter. Then we find the red focal length. Then first of all, we test the laser power by marking words. First, we put words, set it A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, and apply. Then we set the words back to the work origin. And we set hatch. We set the hatch. Choose the following edge once and choose 2. Please make sure the hatch 2 and hatch 3 are closed. All we need is hatch 1. Make the angle is 90 degree. and choose the hatch type this way.
Yeah.
Then we set the pin number 0 and the line distance 0.02.
90.
Keep the angle 90 degree and we press OK. Confirm the test works.
然后设置功率。
After that, we set the power.
先点击这个。
First of all, press the black button. Then we set the marking loop 1, speed 1000 millimeter per second, and the power make it 35%. The rest does not to change and press apply. After that, we press the laser tab button and choose Split Mark II. We checking the parameter of the marking. Make sure the working line is XX. And the rest of the parameter, please confirm it's the same with the video. After that, we need to measure the diameter of the cup. If the cup is not in the same shape, we just need to measure the middle of the cup. It's the 76 millimeter. And we choose the rotate X, and set the part diameter 76 and press OK. Then it will show the parameter you have set. You could change the parameter you need. After that, press OK. And we could set the red dot to check the parameter and the words we have set.
暂停。
The red dot shows the words are not in the middle of the cup, so we need to adjust the location of the words.
Yes.
We need to press the ESC in the keyboard and press quick. After that, we adjust the location of the words by pressing up button.
可以先按指示。
After that, we can press F1 to check the red dot where is the words we set, and also press up. It can also adjust the location. When it's in the right location, we could choose this function again, select Mark II, and set the select size 0.02, and we could press mark. As you can see, when the fiber laser is working, the rotary is also rotating. As you can see, the rotary is working and the fiber laser also working. If the laser effect is not good enough, we could use different laser power to adjust. Then you can see the marking is finished. After that, if you need to change the parameter, we could click quick and set the power here. If you want change the parameter, you could change it here and press apply. After that, choose the Split Mark II and press mark. Then it will work as the new parameter you have set. Because we set a bigger power, so the laser marking is with stronger laser power. If this marking test get the results you want, you could load the load the design you want to test now.
delete.
First of all, delete the test words we have set, and press this button to choose the file you want to test, and open it.
设置它的一个参数。
Now we need to set the parameter of this pattern. Set the size of the pattern.
然后填充。
After that, we set the height of the pattern.
还是原来的参数。
It's the same. No need to change. Press OK.
然后还要指示一下宏观位置。
After that, we need to confirm the laser location by press F1, the red dot. Make sure it's red on middle of the cup.
在这个中心位置需要打标的地方。
After confirming, we could press F1 to stop the red dot. Then we choose the file
功率。
and set the parameter.
如果刚才功率是正好的话，就
If the laser power you just set
然后就标记。
is just okay for the marking result, you could choose the slip the marking tool and press mark.
暂停。
Press mark. Then we can see the results.